During the autumn and winter baking season, cheesecloth is the one thing I make sure I have in my cupboard at all times. Cheesecloth helps you strain all the impurities, the moisture out of that stuff. This package comes in a set of 2, so you always have one in the cupboard and one that you're using. It's made of unbleached organic cotton, and that's important, especially if you're gonna be working with food. I can drain a lot of pumpkin puree in one of them. I do about 2 small sugar pumpkins at a time, and all that roasted puree goes right into that colander. And this is big enough to fit in the colander and then tie up and let it sit overnight. You can buy cheesecloth in different grades, so that's something you want to think about. The cheesecloth I have today is a 50 weave, and you can see right through it. The holes are close together, but not super tight. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. And the weave is strong enough to use time after time after time. Some of the best pumpkin pie I've made came from making my homemade pumpkin puree. Cut up your pumpkins, make sure they're sugar pumpkins, by the way, or pumpkin pie pumpkins. I used a regular like a carving pumpkin once, and it was not good. So make sure you're using a sugar pumpkin or pumpkins that are made for pie. Cut it in half, scoop it out. You're gonna lay this right down on your pan, roast it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or when the skin is easily pierceable with a fork. Then you're gonna take it out of the oven, let them cool off completely. I'll flip them all over at that point. That'll help make them cool off. And then you're gonna scoop the insides out and put them into your cheesecloth. And so the cheesecloth is there to keep the puree, but drain all the excess moisture. And so I like to do this in the afternoon and then let it sit overnight. And then once you have your scooped pumpkin inside of your cheesecloth, you're gonna tie it up, twist it up, and you're gonna let gravity do the rest. Overnight, all that moisture will come out of that pumpkin puree, and then you'll be left with the most perfect pumpkin puree to make pumpkin pie or whatever pumpkin dessert you want. My favorite is pumpkin pie, but I also love making pumpkin icebox cake. This is my favorite, and if you love making pumpkin pies, pumpkin purees, I highly recommend this cheesecloth. Thanks so much for watching. If there's other kitchen gadgets that you love to use during the fall, let me know. If you need somewhere else to go, check out one of these videos. This is my pumpkin puree. It's delicious. There's also a pumpkin pie recipe on the blog if you're interested. Otherwise, bye for now.